Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.
Hello FEBC family, I'm Ate Claire.
At ako naman po si Kuya Bong.
We are from Happy Bahay, Happy Buhay. We all have heard the saying, your children will follow what you do more than what you say. Kami po ni Bong naniniwala sa parenting by example. That is why intentional parenting has always been our goal.
Alam po ninyo, we believe that parenting is about building relationship with your children. We need to be involved in our kids' lives sa lahat po ng aspeto. Meaning clear sa kanilang pag-aaral, sa kanilang hobbies, sa kanilang mga kaibigan, at lalong-lalo na sa kanilang mga pananampalataya.
Kasi Bong, it's all part of the bigger picture of molding, shaping, and training your children. Kailangan bata pa lang sila, mamulat sila that your family centers around Jesus. Bong, what are some practical ways we can do intentional parenting?
Sige Claire, since your family is always your first ministry, you need to exert effort in raising your children with Christian values at a very young age. So that is number one, Claire. You need to lead them into a personal relationship with Jesus and teach them the love for the Lord and the love for His Word. Dapat, Claire, makita nila sa atin yung pagbabasa ng Biblia at alam mo yung pagdarasal dapat should always be part of our lives. In other words, be a good model.
Okay, number 2. Teach your children about convictions, boundaries, and limitations.
That's right.
Set a strong biblical foundation on convictions. Kailangan ituro nyo sa mga anak nyo that life is about living for God, fully pleasing Him rather than pleasing yourself or pleasing other people. Teach them about integrity, honesty, and purity. After all, character building starts at home. And what a better way to do this than by setting good example?
Number 3, encourage independence and problem solving. Dito, Claire, maraming guilty mga magulang dito. Don't do everything for your children. Let them think critically, analyze the situation, and come up with a solution. Allow them to learn from their mistakes and discover the consequences ng mga nagawa nila. Hindi yung lagi nating silang sinasalo or we always shelter them from the pain.
And last, teach them about money. Involve your children in the buying process. Let them differentiate between a need and a want. Ituro nyo sa kanila ang importance of saving. Teach your children to be givers. You have to instill in them the principle of giving back to the Lord. Alam niyo po, kapag ang mga anak niyo lumaki na tithers, you will never have to worry about their future financially.
Sabi nga po sa Proverbs 22:6, train up a child in the way he should go, even when he is old, he will not depart from it.
The best way to raise your children is through intentional parenting. We are the most influence in the lives of our children. So be involved. Nurture and build relationships with your children. That is how we invest our lives into our children.
Lagi po nating tandaan na ang mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Napagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy buhay!
Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.